Is your website ready for the Google Mobile First update? Coming up next. First, let me describe what's the Mobile First update. Since November 4th last year, Google announced a change on the algorithm. The new algorithm aims to rank websites based on their mobile-friendly experience. I think I have touched in previous video that one of the things that you need to prioritize is that it's to make sure that your site is responsive, and by responsive, it's precisely that it's mobile-friendly. So make sure that that experience is genuinely good. So why Google is doing this change in the first place? Well, the answer is simple. Mobile is everything. And the long answer is that a couple of years ago, the number of mobile users have actually surpassed the number of desktop users. So we could say that Google is actually late to the game. This is according to an article posted on Entrepreneur called Google's Mobile First Index and the Death of Desktop SEO. I'll link it on the description so you can check it out. When will this be released? Well, this is the question that everyone wants to know. If you have been focusing all this time in making your web page look beautiful on desktop, it's good that you have done that, but now your priority is mobile. Go mobile. I'm working on a tutorial where I will show you how to speed up your page, mobile of course, and then consequently desktop, although it's not necessarily the same ratio. Well, according to Google, when they announced this new algorithm update, they said that if you don't have a responsive site, what the Google bots will do is just analyze the desktop version that you have. But either way, I wouldn't be so confident of that, because mobile is where things are moving. So if you want to stay in the game for the long term, this is something that you need to start reviewing your mobile-friendly strategy for your users. What can you do in preparation for this Google Mobile First update? The first thing is obvious. Make your site responsive. Look for a template that provides you a responsive design that it's user-friendly. The second thing that Google suggests on their blog to do in preparation for this algorithm update is to make sure that the amount of content that is displayed on the desktop is also available on the mobile. And this is because you could have variations where maybe some posts are not displayed on the responsive or mobile website. So make sure that the information matches on both as much as you can. Another thing that Google suggests or recommend is that use the Robot.txt testing tool to make sure that your mobile version is accessible for Google bots. I will elaborate further on that on another video, a separate video, where I will show you how to do this specific test in preparation for this update, so stay tuned. Finally, the last suggestion from Google is for those sites that have different URL for the mobile version versus the desktop one, they will continue to use what is called canonical links, which basically, just to boil it down, is on the desktop version, you will have a link that will point out Google to your mobile version. So that's the easiest way to put it, and vice versa. On the mobile version, there will be another link that will point out Google to the desktop version. So this way the Google bots will know how to crawl your website and find your specific desktop version and also your mobile version. If you're building a mobile site, just keep in mind that it's better to have a desktop-oriented only website than an incomplete or a broken mobile website. So once that you have your mobile website ready, then launch it, but not have an incomplete version of the mobile just because you want to be prepared for this update, and then your desktop one. So it's better to have just your desktop one in a good shape. Once you have your mobile ready, then deploy it, launch it, or push it live, whatever. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just a heads up, I'm working on creating a tutorial to show you how to improve your page speed, which is another important indicator to rank well in Google, to have a page that loads fast. So as soon as I have that ready, I'll release it. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks, you'll see that coming. I'm still trying to improve my page speed, so once that I nail that, I'll share the steps that I follow to get that done. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll have the subscription box over here, hopefully over here, subscription box over here. So subscribe and have a fantastic week.